Hi there YouTube and welcome to Tech Ravers. In my last video I got a few questions about the gyro in Steam Deck and if it was usable in emulated games. And as a matter of fact it basically just started working thanks to Mickey and IB Nobody. They have just released the SteamDeckGryoDSU on GitHub. I'm gonna show you in this short tutorial how to set it up, and I'm sorry in advance for poor image quality as I'm still waiting for my external monitor for the Steam Deck. But now let's get to it. On your Steam Deck, head over to the GitHub I mentioned earlier. You'll find a link in the description to this video. After that, you want to go and open the Steam Deck's console or terminal. Just go under Applications and K for Console. Now, in order for this to work, you need to have set a sudo password for your Steam Deck, and in case you have done that already, you can skip this part, but if you haven't done it, click on the Steam button plus X to bring forth your Steam Deck's virtual keyboard. Type passwd and you will be able to choose a new password for your Steam Deck. You also need to click on Enter or R2. It will look as though you're not writing anything, but it will register the password, don't worry, so just click R2 or Enter to confirm. And once the password is set, you need to copy this line of text from the Github page and execute the command in your console. So just paste it in and once again click on Steam and X to bring up the keyboard so you can press Enter or R2. And this is where you will need that new password that we just made. Once that is complete, you need to restart your Steam Deck. So do that and then head back to the GitHub page. Welcome back. Our Steam Deck is now restarted and back in desktop mode with the GitHub page loaded. Scroll down to the rest of the instructions. First one is obvious, install CEMU. I'm gonna assume that you have done that already. Instead, we're going to the second part, download Cemuhook and put it in the CEMU installation folder. If you installed CEMU through EmuDeck, as I did, you can find it in the Wii U folder that EmuDeck creates. I have my emulators installed on my micro SD card, so I'm gonna open it and I'm going to Emulation, ROMs, and here I'm gonna look for my Wii U folder. And here it is. And here is my CEMU application, so I'm just gonna drag and drop the files we just downloaded to this folder as well. And now the installation is complete. We just need to open CEMU and do two small things and the gyro should be working. In my Steam library I have CEMU, so I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna head over to Options. And the motion source should now be selectable in Options, Gamepad Motion Source, DSU1 and by slot. So do that, and we have just one more thing to do. And that is to simply select the Wii U gamepad as the emulated controller in the CEMU input settings. And that's it. We now have 100% working gyro in our Wii U games. You don't need to redo anything in the Steam Deck's gaming mode, the setup will follow over there. I hope you liked this brief tutorial on how to enable gyro for CEMU in your Steam Deck. If you did, or if it helped you out, please leave a like or a comment, it would make my day. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.